A modest 1.7% increase is forecasted for Dogecoin by CoinCodex by tomorrow. To start, let's get a quick sense of the current market dynamics. At this point, Dogecoin has dropped 1.7% over the last day and is trading near $0.07105. Let's step into today's projections now. Traders Union forecasts a downward move to $0.06999 by tomorrow. That's 1.5% below the current level. 30 rates suggest Dogecoin could move lower toward $0.0707, dropping approximately 0.5%. Digital coin price notes it may edge up to $0.07144, marking an increase of 0.5%. A different forecast by CoinCodex shows Dogecoin could move upward to $0.07227, a projected increase close to 1.7%. And to end, Gov Capital Collector sees the price reaching $0.07305 by tomorrow, which is 2.8% higher. This forecast stands out as the most profitable. Those were the 5 key projections. Let's keep watching. We've reviewed the outlooks. Now let's look at performance data. Taking into account the different outlooks, the projected price change could range between a drop of 1.5% and an increase of 2.8%, depending on the analyst. As a result, Gov Capital Collector shows the highest projected return with 2.8% gain in value by July 2. Ultimately, you could realize between $5 and $28 for every $1,000 you invest. When it comes to probability rankings, 30 rates' forecast comes out on top with an 87.7% chance of success. From the full range of forecasts, I've drawn a unified consensus outlook. From the consensus, Dogecoin is placed near $0.07149. Let's take a look at the numbers. Consensus data points to price gaining about 0.6% by tomorrow. To phrase it clearly, your capital could likewise increase by about 0.6% as part of that scenario. In practice, $1,000 might correspond to roughly $6 gained. According to the consensus, the likelihood of this outcome is estimated at about 87.2%. Here's the part where we explore the expected price trajectory for the next 3 days, based on analysts' views. Traders Union believes the next 3 days will show Dogecoin holding around the same levels without a clear push in either direction. 30 rates highlights that Dogecoin could slide lower. A rising course is projected by Digital Coin Price. A positive outlook is similarly shared by CoinCodex, pointing to more gains. Gov Capital Collector indicates only marginal movement ahead. Looking at all the views combined, the consensus indicates Dogecoin is expected to follow an upward path in the near term. So, 60% of analysts are leaning toward a bullish outlook for Dogecoin. 5 forecasts were given 2 days ago. Today, we'll see how they aligned with the outcome. As a result, the daily candle closed at $0.07207. The majority of forecasts turned out correct in this case. From the accuracy angle, 30 rates gave the sharpest forecast. Time to sort the details one by one. A total of 4 forecasts fit neatly into the daily candle. For ROI performance, multiple analysts managed to stay above zero, and Traders Union led with 3.2%. Let's move to the summary view. See how all forecasts performed overall. CoinLore's forecast probability stood at 88.9%. with accuracy and 0.2% ROI. Look through the table and notice which forecasts turned out most accurate. Let's move on and see how the consensus-based returns for tomorrow line up between Dogecoin and others. According to tomorrow's forecasts, Dogecoin stands at 3rd place, and Athena shows 2% potential return. What you see here is a sample of 5 coins, and broader profitability comparisons can already be found on my website. If you didn't have to dig through dozens of forecasts thanks to this video, hit like. It really helps. Stay tuned. Bye.